Efficiency and innovation means a lot to Broughton Hospital. And Steve is a person that goes above and beyond to make sure that the needs of the hospital is met. So last year we had a situation where we were faced with making a plan of correction for the type of doors that we use.
We found the need to create a special door and a special room here for some of our patients who were more at risk for suicide.
And Steve worked the week of Christmas to make sure that they were safe for our patients to use.
They had come up with the idea of soft doors at Cherry Hospital, and they had put one on the doors and one on the showers. So I said, wouldn't this be much easier just to hook it on the inside of the door instead of the out, and swing it over and hook it on the wall for the shower door and use one door for two processes?
That saved the hospital around $86,000.
And the money that we've been able to save actually is going to help us to purchase other pieces of equipment that we would not have had the money for if he hadn't saved us the money with his innovations. I'm always amazed every time I see Steve look at a problem and take care of it.
It's like a quarterback. You know, a quarterback calling the plays. He comes up with the idea and you look at it and you step back and you think, man, you know, why didn't I think of that?
Problem solving is what I probably do best. It comes natural. The Lord has just put something in my brain that makes me see things different.
We're in the process of bringing all of our medical equipment into the new hospital, and the medical beds arrived, and there was a number of them that could not fit through the doorways. And the only thing that the company could come up with would be for us to carry them through the doorway, which would absolutely be unsafe for our employees.
So I come back out to the shop here with a picture of the bed in my mind and sketched apparatus that we was going to make to do this.
And he developed a special lift and built it out of material that we just had here.
And two people was able to roll it over on its side, pin it off, and roll it anywhere you wanted to take it. It made a 16-person job a 2-person job.
Steve, he's definitely a plus for the whole state of North Carolina.